Sean Baker's journey as a filmmaker is a blueprint for anyone, especially actors who want to create their own work but feel held back by limited resources. Instead of waiting for Hollywood to give him a green light, he took matters into his own hands, proving that great storytelling doesn't require big budgets, just a strong vision, resourcefulness, and the courage to start. Baker's approach is something every actor should take note of. Too often, actors wait for the perfect opportunity, waiting to be cast, waiting for an agent, waiting for funding. But the reality is, if you want to get your projects off the ground, you can take the initiative and make something happen with the tools already at your disposal. One of Baker's most famous breakthroughs was Tangerine, filmed in 2015. A film that shocked the industry not just because of its vibrant, fast-paced storytelling, but because it was shot entirely on an iPhone 5S. That's right, an Oscar-winning filmmaker started by shooting a film on a smartphone, something almost everyone has in their pocket right now. Why did he do it? Not just for budget reasons, but because he believed in the story he wanted to tell. He wanted mobility, flexibility, and a raw, naturalistic look that wouldn't be possible with a big traditional camera setup. Instead of seeing his lack of funding as a roadblock, he saw it as an opportunity to be innovative. The takeaway here for actors is clear. If you have a story to tell, don't let a lack of professional equipment stop you. You don't need a Hollywood-sized budget. You need creativity, commitment, and the willingness to make the most of what's available. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I've got tons of exciting content coming your way, and I'd love for you to be part of the journey. Beyond his innovative film techniques, Baker is also known for his deep commitment to research and authenticity. He doesn't just create stories out of thin air. He embeds himself in communities, talks to people, and builds characters and worlds from real-life experiences. For the Florida project, filmed in 2017, he spent time in low-income motels near Disney World, capturing the daily realities of families struggling to get by. For Anora, his Oscar-winning film, he immersed himself in the Brighton Beach community, choosing to highlight Russian culture without resorting to tired mafia stereotypes. This is something actors can apply to their own work. If you want to create your own projects, start by looking at the world around you. What community, stories, or struggles resonate with you? How can you bring real people and experiences into your work to make it more authentic? Baker's success shows that storytelling doesn't have to be flashy, it just has to be real. Even as Baker's career has grown, he remains committed to the DIY mentality. He keeps his production small, his teams tight, and his process open to spontaneity. He calls it the 90-10 rule. 90% of film is controlled and planned, but 10% is left to chance. The happy accidents that can make a scene unexpectedly magical. This is a powerful lesson for actors who want to create their own projects. Instead of worrying about making everything perfect, just start. Keep it simple. Shoot with natural light, use locations you have access to, work with people who are just as passionate as you. Trust in the process and be open to unexpected moments that could elevate your project. Sean Baker's success is proof that you don't have to follow the traditional Hollywood path to make an impact. He didn't have a huge studio backing him at the start. He built his career by being bold, staying resourceful, and making films that mattered to him. For actors, this is a game-changing mindset. Instead of waiting for opportunities, create them. Write a script, gather a team, and start filming. Even if it's just on your phone, find a story in your community. Use the world around you as your set. You don't need permission to make something great. You just need to take the first step. Baker's journey shows that independent DIY filmmaking isn't just a stepping stone. It's a powerful way to build a career and tell meaningful stories. So, if you've been sitting on an idea, waiting for the right time, take a page from Sean Baker's book. Start now.